While editing, I realized how boring and flat this edit looked. Good thing my grandma taught me these tricks. Okay, the first step in this second clip is to freeze it and move it to the overlay, then I adjust the duration to 1.0. After that, in the overlay, I removed the background and gave a keyframe point at the back and a keyframe point at the front, and I zoomed out and gave a flow graph too. Then in this overlay, I gave an animation entering split and I gave a swoosh blur transition. In the second clip, I gave an animation entering turbulence too. Under this first overlay, I added a halftone bling video effect and adjusted the duration right under the overlay. Then under the second clip, I put in a broken glass video overlay and I adjusted the size to 9:16 and I adjusted the duration to 1.1 and I selected splice, then I selected filter. In the third clip, I froze it, then I moved to the overlay and I adjusted the duration to 1.1. Then, in this overlay, select mask, select rectangle, and I adjust it like this. In the third clip, I added a swoosh blur transition and animation of entering turbulence too. After that, under this overlay, I entered the white flash side effect and I gave an object to the overlay and I adjusted the duration to this. In that effect, I copied it and I put it under the next overlay. I copied it again and put it under the third clip, and I gave an object to all the videos. After that, in the fourth clip, I froze it and moved it to the overlay, then I put it under the third clip. Then I copy, and in this overlay, I remove BG. In this second overlay, I put it under the third clip, then select the mask and select the rectangle, and I adjust it like this. Then I copy it and I put it under the second overlay and I select the mask and I adjust it like this. After that, in the first overlay, I gave an unfold entry animation. In the second and third overlays, I gave a smooth entry animation. And in the fourth clip, I gave an animation of entering unfold. Then in the fifth clip, I froze it, and I moved to the overlay and I adjusted the duration to 0.9. In the overlay, I select the mask and I select the rectangle and I adjust it like this. After that, I copied it and put it below it, and I selected the mask, then selected the rectangle and I adjusted it like this. After that, I copied the white flash effect and put it under the previous overlay and adjusted the object to the overlay. Then I copy it again, and I put it under the second overlay, and I give an object to the second overlay. I copied it again and I put it under the fifth clip and I gave objects to all the videos. In the sixth clip, I gave a swoosh blur transition and animation entering turbulence too. In the seventh clip, I froze it and I moved to the overlay and I adjusted the duration to 0.3. Then I removed the BG. Then in the seventh clip, I gave a swoosh blur transition and animation entering turbulence too. Then in this white flash effect, I copied it and I put it under this overlay and I adjusted the object to the overlay. And let's see the results. Thank you for watching.